Press the Favorite button to set the short and long press functions. Select your chosen functions from the content library. Press the plus and minus buttons to adjust the volume. Alternatively, use your finger to sweep clockwise or anti-clockwise. When listening to a media source, press the left and right buttons to select the next or previous radio favorite, media or video content, or TV channel. Press and hold to seek up or down to the next or previous radio station. Press the phone button to activate the phone system. Press the phone button again to call the most recent number from the top of the list. Press the plus or minus to adjust the call volume. Press the End Call button to end the call. Press the Menu button to change the vehicle's features and settings. Scroll through the menu using the arrows. Press the right arrow or press OK to view a sublist. You can now view the feature options. Scroll through these using the up and down arrows. Alternatively, use your finger to sweep clockwise or anti-clockwise, and press OK to select. If you want to return to the previous menu, press the left arrow, or press and hold to close and exit the menus. Some of these features are not available when the engine is running.